I do like this product a lot, and I would recommend it to anyone who likes to do their nails at home, or even just interested in what dip powder is about. I do have a few concerns with it. As you see, that the brush had broken, and it's impossible to get the bristles back in. And I wasn't trying to be rough with it, I was just trying to clean it. It was getting like really gunky. And as you see, it has an insert, and those got really gunky too, which kind of made the brush go in weird and not come out straight. As you see here, this is the cleansing bottle, and my brush had actually gotten stuck in it because I thought I could just leave it in there to clean, but that didn't end up happening. Once I got the brush out, I wasn't able to get the brush back into the cleansing bottle. I'm probably going to remove these and see if I have better luck with a new brush.